Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Alright, so if you have a Google Sheet document and you want to merge the cells in that Google Sheets spreadsheet, here's how to do it. So it's really easy to do. Let's say we want to merge the cells here. All we have to do is select the cells you want to merge, and then you have to go to this merge cells icon here. And you have multiple options. In most cases you want to just click on the icon, and this, as you can see, the cells have been merged. So now these three cells have been merged into one cell. If you have changed your mind and you want to unmerge the cells, just click on the icon again, and as you can see it will unmerge the cells. Keep in mind that if you have text in the cells you want to merge, it will only keep the value in the first cell, so in this case project. So as you can see, if I click on merge cells icon, merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. Merge anyway, click on OK, and as you can see the cells have been merged but only project has been kept. The other cell values have been deleted. So if we undo this action, I just want to let you know that if you want to merge cells and still keep the values, what you can do is merge cells in another cell, and then we can use the concatenate function in Google Sheets. So as you can see, concatenate, and then you would add the cell values like so. And as you can see, in this case we can merge the cells without losing the text values or number values in the Google Sheet cells. But all in all, this is how you can merge cells in a Google Sheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.